my VR6. Wow!
Or these.
Bye bye. Hi guys, and welcome to a new week at Retrowheelz. Saturday, some new stock has arrived. We still need to clean the shop up. I hope this week will be a little bit less hectic than last week, because last week was insane. We already have a set of custom Speedlines ready that we'll be finishing in a minute. And then I put some things ready. My dad will be arriving soon and he will be packing your guys' orders. So we have some wheels, we have some parts. So let's get this Monday started and let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Project Speedline already good on the way. 2 lips are polished. We need to do 2 more. Then I need to check on what hardware this customer decided. This was a set that was built to order. So check out what color Hexnuts he wants, polished or black I guess, and the hardware the same. 2 lips polished, and then we need to do 2 more with a little bit of curb damage. So let's do that and finish this beautiful set. And that's half a day polishing done again. It's looking like a 2-piece week this week. Let me show you. My dad has just arrived, so now we can start building some wheels. We have laying ready some 2-piece BBS Volvo wheels. Then we have the custom Speedlines that we need to build. Then my dad is sanding down some centers. And then we have this fun little project for our Pingla event. It's a 3-inch wide, 15-inch BBS RS, more on that later. Then we have the beautiful super concave RS2 faces, and then to end with one Modena that needed some repairs on the lip. It's again ceramic polished by our friend Puck Polish, so now we can build some wheels. In between building some wheels, we're also taking some pictures, and the weight of these wheels is just insane. 4.6 kilograms for a 15-inch original Porsche magnesium wheel. We are once more in Brussels together with the little apprentice, hey dear, and my parents-in-law. We're once more visiting my Mark III VR6. It's in there at Autoworld Brussels. Sun is shining, but it's typical Belgian weather, so it's cold again. Boom boom. Last time we were here, I didn't have much time to visit the whole collection, but today I'm back with a little apprentice and we can watch a lot of cars. My VR6, a beautiful rally, a nice little microphone. Yeah. Come on. Ah. If any one of you ever wants to pay me with a car, I'll take a GT3 RS. And that's our visit to Autoworld Brussels done. We had a nice day, we enjoyed it. If you're in Brussels, it's surely worth visiting. Now we're eating a nice Brussels waffle and then we're heading home. Bye bye. So our day is busy as always. We need to polish some Hexnuts to finish off all the wheel bolts. We have this amazingly cool set of BBS RS's with a motorbike tire. So that's for in a minute, then our RS2s, and then the table is filling up nicely. Firstly, Roy is coming back to finish off the beautiful E30. Wheels are complete, adapters are somewhere over there. Now we can finish that car. Life is all about the fitment. We don't need these.
Or these.
Oh shit! Damn! What the fuck? Bullshit! I don't need this shit! Oh, mother...
Polishing is not really a job you say, I love to do that, but it's so cool that you can turn something that looks like this into something that looks like this. The Hexnuts, the billet ones we get from the machine shop, until we have a mirror polished Hexnut. I'm gonna now buff them all out and then we can finish some wheel builds. And then it's time to finish our not so orange custom Speedlines. Sometimes even we need to admit we have made some wrong decisions. I built these wheels 2 years ago, I think, crackle black centers with a chrome orange look lip and Hexnut, but nobody bought them, so now we're getting the orange off, polish the lip, get rid of these Hexnuts, and someone bought the set in the new condition with everything polished. Time to finish our not so orange custom Speedlines. Lips are polished, we have some new center lock Hexnuts that are polished also, and then some new gold bolts are going in. We need to finish this set a little bit quickly because in an hour or so Tom is coming over. He bought the set of custom Speedlines we finished 2 weeks ago. Now we need to put tires on and then put the wheels on the car. Afterwards, we need to load the van because tomorrow we have our first car show of the year. It's nearby, it's local, so we're there with a stand and we're gonna take some wheels, some products and try to sell some stuff and talk with you guys. So I'm getting on to finishing the set and then maybe I'll see you at Dropped. And that's not so cool of an update. A bolt, the thread came loose inside the wheel, so let's get it out, put a helicon in it, and then we can fix the wheel the right way. So Team Pingla has just arrived and our promo vehicle should be somewhere in there. So let's unpack it. Holy fuck! This man! Wow! I have gathered all my idiots and now it's time to leave to Dropped. And that's the end of another crazy week. We saw cars, we've built wheels, but now I'm exhausted and I want to go home. We're just back from drop, the bicycle is inside, my van is here, unloading is for tomorrow. I'm going to jump in my GTI and head back home. But first of all, I need to thank all of my friends that came out, that helped me today. Thank you guys, you are amazing. Without you, Retrowheelz wouldn't be what it is today. And then I thank you all for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Please like, please subscribe, do whatever you want. See ya! Best of show!